In this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure to join the Roblox Doors Discord server. In order to join the Roblox Door Discord server, you need to follow the steps. First thing, open your Discord application. And next, you want to click on the plus icon or add server from the left hand side corner of your screen. Moving on, you can see a pop-up menu. Now then, click on join a server. After which, it's going to ask you to enter in the invite link. So here, what you want to do is just make sure to pause this video and copy the link exactly. So this is a code. So you want to make sure that it is exactly. Now this is the exact code. Now then, you've completed all the verification procedure and all that, and you'll then be directed to this page. And once you've actually done it, so you've successfully joined the Roblox Door Discord server. And this is the simplest way you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.